Hello everyone, we're here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. That means that anytime you make a vehicle purchase, you're going to be entered into our monthly draw that month for your chance to win $10,000. And now back to the stunning 2014 Ram 1500 Limited Crew Cab 4x4. Under the hood, you're going to find the fuel-efficient 3-liter V6 Ecodiesel engine that is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's shown in the stunning deep cherry red crystal pearl coat, and down below you're going to be riding on 20-inch polished aluminum wheels. This also features the 3.92 rear axle ratio. This vehicle has a ton to offer. We're going to take you through it quickly, but if you have any additional questions or just want to get this on the road for a test drive, please don't hesitate to give us a call. So helping you in, you do get this remote from the factory with your unlock, lock, remote start, and panic button. You also have the air ride suspension on here, so you can adjust that with your remote. And we'll just give you a quick shot of those wheels and tires in excellent condition before we head on in. Signal light indicators on the mirrors, which is a great safety feature, and the proximity key system helping you in. Gorgeous interior with the limited power mirrors, windows, and locks, storage in the door. You also have power folding mirrors, great upgraded mats. Your driver's seat's fully adjustable with lumbar support. These are heated and cooled, keeping you comfortable year-round, and you have memory seats, 2 different settings. Your steering wheel is also leather-wrapped and heated. Cruise control and shifting options on your right, on your left, Bluetooth and hands-free, dash selection and audio-mounted controls, fully automatic headlights, power pedals, and a tilting option on the steering wheel, so you're going to be able to find the perfect driving position for you. 340 kilometers on this currently. Large menu of information to scroll through. Take a second to explore that a bit further with your sales advisor. To the right, you have a push-button start, and then your dial shifting knob with 4x4 options. Nice, clean dash area, added stitching for detailing, and you do have the upgraded Alpine sound system. RAM detailing up top with some additional storage. And into your Uconnect system for your entertainment, AM, FM, and satellite capability for your radio. You have a CD player in here. You can connect through Bluetooth, auxiliary, USB, and an SD card. Again, your heated and cooled seats. Dual zone climate control, keeping both your driver and passenger equally comfortable and happy. Navigation and a screen dedicated specifically to help you pair your phone. Moving on down from there, you have the manual buttons for climate and media. You also have your dial shifting knob. Well, we already showed you that. Your trailer brake control, your air ride suspension, traction control, tow haul, parking sensors. Everything is right at your fingertips. An AC outlet to the right and a 12-volt outlet in the middle. The top shallow portion of your console holds all of your media ports, and down below you have lots of additional space, plus your disc player. We'll give you a quick pan through on the passenger side. Everything is in excellent condition. Beautiful detailing throughout this limited. Glove compartment down below, additional space above that. Garage door transmitters, your rear sliding window, interior cabin lighting, and a beautiful sunroof. As we head into the back, I just want to give you a quick shot of this gorgeous paint if I can. There's a beautiful metallic finish to it. And then as we head on inside, again, that gorgeous detail is continued back here. Tons of storage in the door. Great upgraded mats back here as well. Storage behind the seats. Heated seats back here as well. This is a 60-40 split, and the bottoms of the seats lift up easily. So underneath, you do have storage bins beneath the feet. Storage on this side, and on both sides, you get this panel that folds out and secures, so you can get a nice flat traveling surface. Underneath that side, you have the upgraded sound equipment for your Alpine sound system. As we head into the back, rear sliding window, tonneau cover is already on there for you. The back bed is lined for added durability, and you do have tie-down hooks in the 4 corners. So as you can see, that was just a very quick tour. This is an absolutely stunning truck. If you have any questions or want to get it on the road for a test drive, we'd love to give you a hand with any of that. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.